Have you ever tried the traditional French seafood stew, bouillabaisse? Originating from the port city of Marseille in the Provence region, bouillabaisse is a hearty, flavor-packed stew, brimming with a variety of fish, shellfish, vegetables, herbs, and spices. This dish, rich in flavor and tradition, is a true delight for seafood lovers. The magic of bouillabaisse lies in its ingredients. Picture a medley of fish such as red snapper, sea bass, and monkfish, coupled with shellfish like mussels, clams, and shrimp. These are the stars of the show. Now imagine the aromatic harmony of onions, tomatoes, garlic, saffron, fennel, thyme, bay leaf, and a hint of orange zest. They add depth and character. The dish is brought to life with a broth, a blend of fish stock, white wine, and a splash of pastis. It's these ingredients that work together to create the unique and robust flavor of bouillabaisse. Creating bouillabaisse is a labor of love. We embark on this culinary journey by sautéing onions, tomatoes, fennel, and garlic until they soften and release their aromatic essence. Next, we introduce our cast of seafood: red snapper, sea bass, monkfish, mussels, clams, and shrimp, each adding their distinct flavor and texture to the mix. As our seafood begins to simmer, we pour in a broth made from fish stock, white wine, and a hint of pastis, infusing the dish with a subtle anise undertone. The pot is left to simmer, allowing the flavors to meld together harmoniously. Traditionally, the fish and broth are served separately, then united in the bowl, creating an exquisite harmony of flavors. The result is a soup that's flavorful, hearty, and truly satisfying. But bouillabaisse wouldn't be complete without its accompaniments. The serving ritual of this dish is as significant as its cooking process. Imagine slices of crusty bread, perfect for soaking up the rich, flavorful broth. Now, envisage a garlicky mayonnaise-like sauce known as rouille, adding a creamy, spicy kick. Both these additions not only enhance the flavors of the stew, but also add a delightful contrast in texture. And there you have it, bouillabaisse, a classic French dish that's a feast for the senses.